Hello, friends. The number one need of every human being is loving relationships, but unfortunately, this is also the number one stress of every human. So, join me as we discuss these issues and find solutions to them. You can follow me on all my social media platforms. The links are below here, and then you could also subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you could get first-hand notification of every video that I put up. Thank you. Okay, so just ask the question and you'll be surprised the answer you get.
All right, that's very, very nice. I hope that answered your question. The next question we have today is quite a serious one. This person definitely has trust issues, and she's asking, how do I tackle the issue of trust in my relationship?
Okay, trust in a relationship, actually, lack of trust springs from two different areas.
All right.
First of all, it could be that you were in a previous relationship where you got cheated on or you got lied to, and then it became so difficult for you to trust again. Yeah, but then you come into this relationship and you are willing to try as much as possible to make it work. While you might not just have had any prior. The second issue now is that you might not have had any prior issues with trust,
Yeah.
maybe in your previous relationship or in this present relationship. But with the wars we're hearing about relationship everywhere, men has come, men cheat and all that, they always cheat. And even for the guys, the gap with which the ladies are closing up this
Wow.
cheating stuff, it's it's so close. So even the guys too are also paranoid, like, how do I handle the trust issues? Yeah. Now, first of all, you need to know that communication is key. In every relationship, communication is key, and you must talk about it. Talk to your partner about your trust issues. It's not an overbearing stuff. Do you understand? Just let me know. I really have trust issues. If you act in some particular ways that are suspicious, it's going to really take me off balance. So if you can discuss these things, that is like the first step in tackling the issue of trust in a relationship. Secondly, try as much as possible to believe your partner. It might be hard, especially if you've had some prior issues with relationship. It might be difficult, but try as much as possible to just believe in the best. There's something that someone said, he said, believes in the just believe in the best, and until you're proven otherwise. So just believe that the person is truthful to you. Just believe that the person is doing the right thing by you and is not necessarily doing anything shady behind. You could do that also. Another thing that you might want to do is that if the person you're currently in the relationship is the person that broke this trust, and you've tried as much as possible to forgive and forget, and it's becoming extremely difficult, you are more paranoid day by day, like it looks like the person wants to repeat the same old stuff again, then you might really need to rethink your position in the relationship. Because one thing with relationships and how we end up causing more issues with ourselves is that we are not sincere with ourselves. You get that? We're not sincere. We don't tell ourselves the truth. If you cannot forgive this person in this relationship, it's going to be difficult to continue the relationship. You're going to be more paranoid daily. So I don't want to be the one to say it, but find a way around it. If it's to discontinue the relationship for a period of time to when you get yourself and come back to your relationship, fine. If it's to discontinue the relationship totally, you feel this person broke your trust, you love the person too much, and then he broke your trust and you cannot just cope with it, then it is better not to have a relationship without trust than for you to be managing one that you're struggling to have the trust. Then lastly, some people might have some issues with this, but I'm not going to say it anyway. Keep your hands off your partner's phone, especially when you have, a serious issue with trust. Keep your hands away from your partner's phone. Why? Because when you go searching for something that's not there, you're definitely going to find something there. Somebody hooked him up, you understand, or somebody just said hi in a particular way, and you're not just cool with it, and then you see yourself having this relationship issue. So just keep your hand away from the phone. Just mind your own phone. It's okay to be open in a relationship. Like, I have your password, you have my password. I want to check something, I can do that. But not sneaky, take the phone and go somewhere, and then you're trying to shuffle the messages and who the person has been chatting with and all that. Just try as much as possible to keep your hand away from your partner's phone, and then let's see how that works out for you.
Now, well said.